The report which was filed by the S. Basudaya and Company, if I am not wrong. Then we'll just. Yes.
Which was quoted there.
Yes. Now, my lord, I am placing the entire. No, I had placed the entire affidavit of Basudaya Chaudhary, which was.
As regards the TET conducting the
TET and
S. Basu and Company conducted the TET.
TET and also the selection process. And the selection process. Not only.
Which page you are?
Kindly come to me, lord. The report.
Tell us from the writ petition that report has been annexed.
Yes.
No, that was a part. In the report, there is a part of it, but I. Referred to,
Yes.
by the way, I was not trying to place the original affidavit which was filed before the court. Some excerpts were given in the writ petition. There was the original affidavit, not.
If you can curtail it down to this, otherwise we have to take another one.
No.
Records, Mr.
Lordship did not. Lord, that is there already before your lordship. You are placing the relevant paragraphs. কোন binding আছে বলো? Yes.
Whatever.
Not writ petition, not opposition, not reply, nothing.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, we have.
I will just.
I have anything. Just we will hear. He has almost finished.
That I again will not repeat that this is a constitutional court. Court has every right to see without the matters which are placed before the court in any proceedings. And this has been referred to particularly. Now, instead of placing the portion of it, I am placing the entire affidavit, the relevant portion of it.
Page.
This is paragraph 6 of the said affidavit.
At which page of the compilation?
The first document is the affidavit.
Oh.
The affidavit by Ms. Kaushik Maji.
Yes.
Page number 2. Page number 2.
Paragraph 6.
Where is that? What is the page number of that extract which was annexed?
Page number 221.
Page 221.
Page 221.
Maybe as after copy,
Yes.
last of them, yes.
Everything has been served.
No, sir.
Soft copy দিয়েছে প্রত্যেককে।
Mr. Biswas, don't worry. We shall show it to you. The document we shall show. Yes.
Rakesh Mondal.
Which page you want to show, Mr. Bhattacharya?
I am referring below
From paragraph internal page 7, it is there in the combined in the.
yes, but not the paragraph 6 and onwards, the relevant portions of taking the responsibility that has to be placed.
That you have showed us. Paragraph 6 onwards has been.
Not the entirety, not the entirety. But 221 বার করো।
You want to show us paragraphs?
26 টা ছিল মূল ভলিউমে, আমরা গোটাটা দেখাচ্ছি।
It's only below the paragraph 26 was quoted there.
Yes. Yes.
May I just read out for your lordship's own consideration? These are relevant portions, which is because my basic challenge is that this is the institutional corruption, and the institutional corruption originated from the day one when you have selected the agency for doing all this exercise, which was supposed to be done by the statutory authorities. And this engagement of private agency in violation of the law voids everything, and that's a settled law decided by this court in other proceedings.
So why you are saying, this Messrs. S. Basu conducted the interview also, aptitude also? Why you are saying that?
That is their own affidavit. That's why I'm not placing this.
You yourself, board, they themselves produced the list of interviewers that the court checked up. 165 questions were put. Nowhere any partner or any entity of S. Basu was called for by the court.
No, there, my lord, then court wanted them to file an affidavit disclosing the facts. This is the affidavit. This affidavit, my lord, is pursuant to direction of the court.
But this has we did not find subject to correction reference to this affidavit in the judgment deed.
May not be. Lordship is
just we are expressing this.
May not be. But my lord,
Your argument is otherwise. We just
when the materials are before the court.
All right.
In Mahamad submission, court will not be invited to not to look into that.
Which paragraph you are showing?
Lord, 2-3 paragraphs, Lord. Kindly come to me, Lord. Paragraph 6 of the said affidavit. I state in or about the month of February 2014, the president of the West Bengal Primary Board asked Mr. Gautam Mukherjee, the partner of Basu Rai Company, to give a quotation. Here, entire thing will not originates. I ask you, please give a quotation. And then entire thing proceeded. For the work of printing and delivery of OMR sheet and processing of result of candidates appearing at the Teachers Eligibility Test 2014.
Yes.
Then kindly come to paragraph 9. I state that as per the direction of the West Bengal Board of Primary Education, Basu Rai and Company complied the order mentioned in the letter 10th of February 2014. Then paragraph 11. I state that West Bengal Board of Primary Education sent Messrs. Basu Rai and Company some guidelines to prepare the result as per their guidelines. Publish the result on
No, one copy was in the chamber.
Oh.
Yes, Vishal.
Now kindly come to, now I am at the paragraph 12. At the internal page 4.
You have showed us this.
Yes, I think I have shown that. Yes, therefore, not if I have already shown that, I am not be wasting time repeating that. Therefore, I will not insist upon the principles of law which I want to advance, that the selection of an outside agency, though law permits, I shall also not show that that permission was also not properly followed. And you have had a prior party in your mind. You did not invite open tender or inviting all competent persons in the field. Please give your quotation so that it can be done impartially. You have chosen one, and that they have followed your instruction to prepare all these things. And what were the scope of work and what they have not discharged? This is very important to buttress my argument.
Yes.
Kindly come to page 32. I am not sure whether I had not placed paragraph 15 and 19 onwards with regard to the selection of teachers also.
It has our marking still.
Yes, no. If it is
want
that,
to say,
no. I completely rely my lord's memory.
No, you
I just whether I have skipped or not.
no, you can tell us the paragraph.
Yes. Now I will just relying upon my lord the.
You have showed us up to para 11, 15.
Then paragraph kindly paragraph 14. Now I have placed 12 paragraph 14. I just mentioned the paragraph.
Yes.
Then paragraph 15. I state that the West Bengal Primary Board on 14 September 2016 by a letter asked us to develop an online application portal for the qualified candidates for submission of details and collection of fees and for scrutiny verification of the qualified candidates. This is a very sensitive and gray area to scrutiny and verification of the qualified candidates. Then in paragraph 16, as per the instruction given by the board on 14 September 2016, these are all with regard to selection, not date. Basu Rai and Company by a letter dated so gave a proposal to the West Bengal Board of Primary Education for doing such work. 17. I state that the West Bengal Board of Primary Education notified on its website the link would be created for the qualified candidates to fill up their details by and to pay the required fees for the same. The said notification was published for the vacancy of 41,559 posts, subject to modification. Then Lordship may kindly come to paragraph 19. I state that the West Bengal Board of Primary Education directed Basu Rai and Company to provide a scrutiny verification list as per the district-wise, and the same was submitted to the West Bengal Board along with the attendance sheet of the candidates. Therefore, the entire thing is being done by Basu Rai. The scrutiny verification list has provisions for writing of Viva marks, aptitude marks, and extracurricular marks by the scrutinizer, along with the remark, if any, against each candidate. Then Lordship may skip over the other paragraphs. Kindly then turn to paragraph 23. I state that as per the requirement of the board, Basura Company updated the same in the data of the candidates and sent to the board a final error list containing errors marked by the system for checking and get it verified with error list provided by the board. I state that the board sent us the updated final error list of the candidates clearing the errors marked by the system. Then 26 is very important. I state that the West Bengal board asked Basura to prepare the initial empanelment list for trained and untrained candidates separately category-wise, medium-wise. Said list was prepared by the company and delivered. List of trained and untrained candidates separately category-wise, medium-wise. The said list was prepared by the company. Kindly note this. List was prepared by the company and delivered to the West Bengal Board of Primary Education on the dates indicated below. Then 27. I state that Basura Company received a request from the board on different dates to prepare an additional panel. The dates are mentioned.
Yes.
Then paragraph 29. I state that Basura Company prepared additional panel lists and submitted to the board on different dates. The additional panel lists were sent through emails, as well as some of them were served upon the board physically. So these are the areas which really.
Yes.
Then, Lord, I do not trouble my Lord with this any further, but kindly turn to page 32.
The para 32 look difficult.
Oh, sorry, my Lord, para 32 is important. Mr. Gautam Mukherjee, a partner of Basura Company, was the senior partner and was also the controlling partner of the firm, and he was functioning as the sole liaisoning officer with the board. Said Mukherjee died on 24th November. After his death, there is a difficulty to reach out to the documents, which he was having the sole knowledge and possession. Therefore, none of the original documents, as it appears from here, Lord, has been made available to the board.
7 or 8 selection committee master.
Kindly come to me, Lord. Page 32. Scope of work. I'm just referring to your Lordship to show that who had done this. And page 33.
Selection committee. Selection committee.
Yes.
Lord, I am not reading out the whole thing, but this really all the steps for selection. And the important part is page 33, my Lord, paragraph 5. Post-interview final panel list. Collection of candidates' data from the qualified candidates list for interview test. Candidate details obtained for extracurricular activities, training details, viva voce, aptitude test. And final calculation of overall marks for each candidate. Preparation of panel for candidates as per rules. Now kindly turn to the rules. This is very important, statutory rules. But I believe, my Lord, we have given the compilation of the rules.
Yes, we have that.
Outside agency, they rule 5, no?
Rule 4, 5. Rule 4, sub rule 5.
ওইটা কোথায়?
এমনি
কম্পাইলেশনটা এখান থেকে দেখে দাও না।
ভলিউম 1 এ আছে। ভলিউম 1 পেজ নাম্বার 111 এ আছে।
আলাদা কম্পাইলেশন ভালো হয়।
আমরা কম্পাইলেশন দিয়েছি। এটা ওটা না, জাজমেন্টের কম্পাইলেশন। রুলস এবং অ্যাক্টের কম্পাইলেশন দিয়েছিল রাতুলদা। এরকম রুল এন্ড অ্যাক্টস কম্পাইলেশন।
So you are
রাতুলদা
rule
দিয়েছিল।
and act compilation.
হ্যাঁ, রাতুলদা দিয়েছিল।
না দিয়ে দাও না।
পেজ নাম্বার 111 ইন ভলিউম 1। Page number
Volume 1, page.
111. 111. Volume 1.
Judgment compilation.
No. Volume 1. Volume 1.
Volume 1, we have the rules.
There is a rule. Paper book in paper book.
আস্তে উত্তেজিত হওয়ার কিছু
No,
নেই
no, no.
Yes, Mr. Order.
Well, kindly come to rule 4, sub rule 5.
Yes.
My lord, please to note, with the prior approval of the state government.
Yes.
Board shall have the following power to lay down modalities, procedures, or guidelines as the case may be. Now, my lord, the rule makers were, my lord, very much cautious that every stage there should be check. That's why I say this is with the prior approval of the state government. And in the affidavit, my lord, which I have filed indicates, my lord, I have not found any affidavit by the board or anybody, other agencies to say that yes, they had the prior approval of the state government. If the statutory rules is violated for the purpose of selection, my lord, I don't have to argue. This law is well settled. Everything is void.
Yes.
Then kindly come to, my lord, rule 8. Formation of selection committees, rule 7. Then rule 8, procedure for selection.
Hmm.
The selection committee shall make prima facie scrutiny of the duly filled application forms submitted by the candidates having qualifications mentioned in rule 6. And the selection committee, my lord, has been defined just the prior rule 7.
Subsequent amendment.
Yes.
And procedure of selection is given. Now, my lord, one point I have to clarify, there was subsequent amendment by which rule 7 was amended. এটা কোথায় পাওয়া যাবে?
এটা compilation রাখুন না।
পেজটা বলো।
Yes,
Compilation
you
আলাদা করে।
tell us the.
Because the rule 7 was amended.
Yes.
Volume amendment টা নেই,
By, please give us the notification date.
Yes, I'm giving you.
just prior to it.
Because this is notification dated 23rd of September 2016.
Yes, 23rd September.
Now, the amendment was, Lord, of Rule 7. Rule 7, Lord, I have not placed but referred to, which comprises, Lord, the Constitution of Selection Committee. Now, this is amended. By amendment, Lord, this is said the board shall constitute the selection committee for the purpose of selection of eligible candidates and preparation of panel of such candidates for appointment of teachers in primary schools within the jurisdiction of the board. B, in sub-rule 3, for the ward chairman, substitute the word president of the board.
Amendment.
Additional copy.
এটা দিয়ে
Even
দিচ্ছি।
substituted by this rule.
Yes, by this amendment. For handy, you should take this. (23rd September) notification number 656.
It is. What shall constitute? What shall constitute selection of the purposes? Right.
Outside agency to their
এই সিলেকশন কমিটির কাজ কখন
আমি জিজ্ঞেস করছি
Is he there?
একদম
Now it is said,
Rule 7, pre-selection committee shall normally function for a period of 2 years. Any member of the committee other than the official member may resign. So that is not 3. The amendment is of, my lord, note 7 of rule sub-rule 3, that is rule 6. I will kindly come to amendment of rule 7, next page.
Next, okay, fine.
In rule 7, the 3 is the, my lord, the third amendment, and that relates to rule 7.
Board president of the এটা হচ্ছে sub rule 3.
chairman was substituted by president of the board.
Yes. Therefore, initially it was, my lord, by the district chairmans, it should be done district wise, which was more decentralized. Now it is being made centralized. It comes under the full control of the president of the board. The amendment is very important, very relevant for our purpose.
You point out the amendments with pencil.
This was decentralized, where, my lord, the respective councils
Hmm.
would have done it, the selection
Now it
committee.
has been taken
it
over
was-
by the president of the board,
Yes.
who without giving any tender or anything, bought
And-
this S Basu company for
Absolutely.
treatment. This is your argument.
That's my opinion. And that too, my lord, as per the requirement rules, there was no prior sanction of the government. Yes.
Selection of the rule 8.
Yes.
Therefore, my lord, this violation of rules for the purpose of selection process, my lord, vitiates everything. That's, my lord, my fundamental point. It might be, my lord, repeating time and again, and which is fortified and uncontroverted by the affidavit of Basura and Company.
Yes.
Hmm?
Selection committee ওগুলো করবে একবার
Make it, my lord, very precise and poignant that these had, my lord, planned with a corruption in mind, and that corruption ultimately, my lord, fortified, which has been reflected by the investigation revealed
Hmm.
done by CBI in the direction of court. These investigations were done. Now, the last occasion, I had referred to the, my lord, charge sheet file, and the honorable court was pleased to, my lord, direct me to place the charge sheet in detail, which is filed in court. And we have already given worship the,
No charge sheet.
you have given a bunch. They can total.
এই ওটা দাও।
এইমাত্র
Which volume? That spiral binding or
no
this?
no no this one.
এগুলো লিখে না একটা ফ্ল্যাগ করে দিয়ে দিতে হয় খুঁজে বেড়াবে নাকি এটা হয়ে গেলে পরে করে দিয়ে দেবো
Page number 1.
অ্যাডিসিভ স্টিকার দিয়ে
Yes, Mr.
Now, my lord, kindly straightway come to page 104. Lord, this is a third charge sheet, supplementary.
Second.
Well, I would rather invite my lord's kind attention so that nobody can really create any trouble.
104.
102. How
100
this investigation proceeded.
Yes.
The instant case, paragraph 16.1.
Yes.
The instant case was registered on 9th of June 2022 in compliance to the order dated 8th of June 2022 passed by the Honorable Court at Calcutta in WPS so on alleged offences committed by unknown office bearers of West Bengal Primary Board in conducting teachers' eligibility test and subsequent selection process of assistant teachers, both.
Yes.
Now then kindly turn to the result of investigation. It starts from page 104. But I will take my lord's leave to place it in detail.
So, Mr. Bhattacharya, you said you will show us the relevant portion.
Relevant portion. Well, I am not reading the entire 104 paragraphs, 104 particularly.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Page 104, paragraph 17, the result of investigation.
Hmm.
In supplementary charge sheet filed in this case on such and such, it was mentioned that in May 2017, a list of 752 unqualified candidates was generated falsely showing them as withheld candidates, whose results were withheld due to submission of inadequate documents. Out of these 752 unqualified and purported withheld candidates, 300 candidates have been appointed as primary teacher. It had been revealed that on 5th of May 2017, accused Partho Sen had sent the list of said 752 withheld candidates from the email of Basura and company. On the instruction of late Gautam Mukherjee, who had been holding all these documents which are not now available to anybody. The emails of Manik Bhattacharya, the president of board, and of email of Srimati Bagchi, then secretary. Further investigation revealed that the teachers' eligibility test was held on 11th October 2015 throughout the state of West Bengal. Investigation further revealed that while the appointment process were going on in the year 2017, numerous candidates had written to the board and a few had moved petitions before the Honorable High Court that a particular question number so and so, so and so. I'm just skipping over. Very well. Let us place them. Let them be satisfied. Investigation further revealed that while the appointment process was going on in the year 2017, numerous candidates had written to the board and a few had moved petitions before the Honorable High Court that a particular question number in so and so in Bengali medium paper had two correct answers, that is options A and B, and only those candidates who had marked option B had been awarded a mark. It has emerged that on 20th November 2017, a resolution passed by the board, very important, that those candidates who had marked option B should also be awarded 1 mark provided that the candidate should be trained. Fell short to qualify 1 mark, have written the exam in Bengali medium and have marked option A, which was also a correct response. It has emerged during investigation that a total 428 candidates fell in this category and therefore 1 mark should have been awarded to all of them. Investigation has revealed that instead of 428 candidates being declared qualified after the award of 1 mark, board declared a panel of only 270 candidates. Board had thereafter deliberately discriminated by picking or choosing a few candidates and depriving the others. It has further emerged that out of the aforesaid 270 candidates, 264 candidates were appointed as primary teacher. During investigation, it has been revealed that as per the records filled up the candidates, 46 candidates were non-trained, and at the relevant point of time, 9 candidates were those who even after award of 1 mark did not qualify, got the appointment in their respective categories. 2 candidates had appeared in TET 2014 Urdu medium and 1 candidate had marked option B. Therefore, the board in publishing the panel of 270 candidates had deliberately accommodated such candidates as mentioned above who were not entitled to be awarded 0-1 marks as per the resolution of the board itself. It therefore emerges that board had deliberately resorted to subterfuge of awarding 1 mark and had accommodated undeserving candidates at their whims and fancies against extraneous considerations. It has emerged that the resolution was passed by the board in a meeting dated 20th November 2017, which was chaired by Dr. Manik Bhattacharya, the president, and other board members. A note was put up by Manik Bhattacharya to the Principal Secretary, Department of School Education, Government of West Bengal, along with the copy of the resolution and expert opinion for further processing in the ministry. Finally, the note was accorded approval by Partho Chatterjee, the then Minister of Education, on 22nd November 2017, within 2 days. Accordingly, on 30th November, another resolution was passed by the board that 270 candidates met the aforementioned 4 criteria decided in the resolution dated November 17, and also enclosed the breakup of such number of candidates.
Yes.
And also includes the breakup of such number of candidates. It has emerged that I'm reading it slowly, that the details of the candidates like roll numbers, name, father's name, etc., have deliberately not been entered in the resolution register, only to avoid detection and keep the entire act of commission discreet. The board has informed that no records, underline this, board has informed that no records regarding interview, aptitude tests, preparation of merit list panels, regarding appointments of candidates under the resolution of the board meetings for awarding 1 marks are available. It has emerged that those 270 candidates were recommended to the respective DPSCs for issuance of appointment letters under the signature of Ratna Chakraborty, Akchi so and so. The investigation has established that 264 candidates were appointed in a grossly irregular manner in pursuance to the criminal conspiracy between Partho Chatterjee and Manik Bhattacharya under the garb of resolution of the board for award of 0-1 marks to the undeserving candidates, which was approved by Partho Chatterjee. Next page. Investigation has revealed that much prior to the preparation of the additional panel of 270 candidates for appointment, an email dated so-and-so, along with a list of candidates containing roll number, name, mobile number, etc. of 752 candidates, was sent to email ID of Manik Bhattacharya. Email ID is there, I'm not reading that. The said email, along with the list of 752 candidates, was then forwarded to Probir Banerjee, OSD, to the then Education Minister Partho Chatterjee from the email secretary of board. It was mentioned in the said email that the board is unable to upload the list of so-and-so list to this website due to server problem and requested the MIC to take necessary steps to upload the same. It was further mentioned that the heading of the list will be, quote, list of withheld candidates who are requested to submit particulars at room number so-and-so only on working days. However, the dates of document verification were changed to 11th May 2017 to 16th May 2017 by Manik Bhattacharya, who also informed that those candidates would be called through SMS message for verification of the documents.
Yes.
Then the next page, I'm just pointing out relevant portions. 108.
Yes.
Investigation has revealed, the middle portion, has
Yes.
revealed
Yes.
that Partho Chatterjee had given a list of 15 candidates to Probir Banerjee for sending it to Manik Bhattacharya for entering their name for document verification along with 752 withheld candidates, thus making the list 767. Investigators revealed that during the period of so-and-so document verification, the candidates was conducted so-and-so. Well, I'm just not taking the other part. Then it has also been revealed, but the concluding line of the paragraph,
Yes. Yes.
by the staff who had collected the documents of those candidates that no interview, no interview, viva voce were conducted during that period.
Hmm.
After completion of documents verification, a list of 767 candidates containing so-and-so, 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 and the marks obtained, graduation total marks and marks obtained, DLED total marks obtained was prepared in the office of Partho Chatterjee. Who has done this selection? But such gross irregularity really shocks the conscience of court. In other matter, that's the finding of the court also. Now, this is the relevant part I have placed. I'm not taking much time of lordship to play the detail. Then third charge.
Second paragraph.
This was the third charge sheet.
No.
This is second
Supplement.
supplementary. Then kindly turn to just for it, page 111. Investigation has revealed that out of 752 candidates, 310 candidates have been appointed. Thus, the investigation established that Partho Chatterjee, the then minister, in criminal conspiracy with Manik Bhattacharya, had facilitated the illegal appointment of aforesaid 310 candidates. During investigation, list of 324 candidates, actual candidates in the state list is 321, along with the roll numbers and names of referral persons. Well, this is interesting. Names of referral persons are also there, who are politically influential, was recovered from the warehouse of Secondary School Education Department located at Bikash Bhavan. Investigation revealed a total of 134 candidates out of 321 have been appointed, which has been confirmed by board.
So referral candidate, political referral candidate.
Now then we'll kindly come to the third charge sheet. That is at page
130.
130. Result of investigation. Last paragraph 7.6, the last line of this paragraph, it has been confirmed by the secretary.
Page 111.
No, 131.
131.
Well, this is the third supplementary charge sheet. Well, I was placing the second, now I am coming to third. 131, paragraph 17.6. Got it? Well,
Yes.
last line. It has been confirmed by the secretary that 10 candidates out of the state list of 85 candidates have been appointed. investigation has revealed that so and so,
But this is the third supplementary charge.
this is third. That 1110 was
111 was there. yes.
second.
Yes.
The investigation revealed so and so that were sub-agents of Sujoy Krishna Bhadra. Now, his name is more well circulated in the society now. As per the direct the appointment as primary teacher. Then it has been revealed that accused Kuntal Ghosh had forwarded a list of 35 candidates of SSC that is not already set aside by the court. I am not just referring. Then next paragraph, 17.8. Investigation revealed that accused Kuntal Ghosh had collected about 25 crores from undeserving candidates of primary, upper primary, SLST 9, 10, 11, 10, so and so. This 9, 10, 11, 12, Group C, Group D had been set at naught by the Honorable Supreme Court, upholding the judgment of this court.
2016 সালে একসাথে ঘটেছে,
So nothing remains more to be done for this primary and upper primary.
সবগুলো 2016 সালে ঘটেছে, সবগুলো 2016 সালে।
During the course of investigation, copy of one diary of accused Taposh Mondal was collected, wherein it was reflected that he had delivered 19.47 crores to accused Kuntal Ghosh for appointment of candidates of various examinations. It has further been revealed that Kuntal Ghosh had delivered about 10 to 12 crores to Sujoy Krishna Bhadra for securing appointments of undeserving candidates at the residence of Sujoy Krishna Bhadra at Behala and at the office of the Lifts and Bounds Private Limited, New Alipur, where Sujoy Bhadra used to work as chief operating officer. It has further been revealed that out of the delivered amount of rupees 10 to 12 crores, 5 to 6 crores was delivered by accused Kuntal to accused Sujoy Bhadra towards arranging appointment of primary teachers in presence of Aurobindo, Surojit. Investigation has revealed that accused Shantanu Banerjee was known to the accused Sanjoy Bhadra by virtue of being a member of same political party. That is so and so. I am not mentioning the political party. I don't want to not add anything which can create chaos. And had acted as a sub-agent of accused Sujoy Bhadra. It has also been revealed during investigation that accused Shantanu Banerjee had introduced Kuntal to accused Sujoy in pursuance to the criminal conspiracy hatched among them.
Yes.
Then we'll skip 7.9, now comes 17.10. From the said conversation, it has revealed that during the said meeting, accused Kuntal, Shantanu and Sujoy discussed about the modus operandi of collection of bribe from the undeserving candidates and getting them illegally appointed by manipulating the result and filing a case before the Honorable High Court and getting favorable orders. Lord, some petitions were being filed, kindly direct it to be considered, and the mechanism was adopted. It has illegal appointments were accused by Kuntal, Shantanu, so and so. It has further been revealed from the conversation that there was a rift between Abhishek Banerjee and accused Partha Chatterjee on the issue of illegal appointment. And accused Sujoy Krishna Bhadra was heard saying that Abhishek had demanded 15 crores from the illegal appointment already done. And when Sujoy expressed his inability to collect more money since the candidate had paid 6.50 lakhs each, then Abhishek Banerjee told Sujoy to stop the appointment. These are the investigations. Then 17.12. Investigation has revealed that accused Shantanu had collected bribe 1.39 crores from Gunadhar Khara, ex-Panchayat member, Arambagh of so-and-so party for arranging illegal appointment of 26 candidates. Now, how grave it could be, can you just visualize? Now, see the page 130 is charge. What are the charges?
Charges are required, Mr. Bhattacharya. You will go
No,
through.
not required.
You have showed us the details of the.
So therefore, these are the facts of corruption vis-a-vis collection of money. Well, according to me, that corruption doesn't always mean exchange of money. Corruption has a wide aspect, and I have already placed a judgment. I'm not going to deal with that further. But if this is the factual aspect, uncontroverted factual aspect, and the investigation also speaks of appointment of SSC candidates, Group C, Group D, which has been declared void by the Supreme Court, but I repeatedly say this because this would come same. Now, kindly come to me, Lord. Now, Lord, I just hand up to your Lordship, Lord, the matters of record, the list of, my Lord, rank jumping.
No, this you cannot, Mr. Bhattacharya, this is not there.
আমরা applicant রা
So further documents, Mr.
Right.
Bhattacharya, you argued charge sheet,
Right.
it is a document which is there. As regards rank jumping and other allegations, Mr. Bhattacharya, that has been contained whatever in the spiral binding papers.
Yes, there.
So yes, that we will.
Now, I'm just only adding more examples.
No, you can tell us the pages for your satisfaction that which page it shows rank
That
jumping.
these are all will not reflect in the CAN application, which your Lordship was pleased to admit. Not all, but few. Therefore,
Rank jumping in the spiral binding, rank jumping, do you want to show us any page to that effect?
Miller, I am told, Miller, spider building really does not reflect this rank jumping issue.
So then, Mr. Bhattacharya, please see the order of the coordinate bench. You allow your application CAN 5 was allowed
Yes.
specific rider that further document shall not.
No, I am not. I am only, Miller, compiling the documents which already disclosed the CAN. But these are not new documents.
No, in
For the benefit of the court, I have not compiled, Miller, which is reflected in the CAN.
in CAN 5.
Yes. Kon 5 আছে?
No, in
বিভিন্ন
CAN
can